We're getting burgers and dogs because we're cheap and we made -$. This week. So I'm editing this vlog. I'm back in Wichita after like an 8-hour drive, and I realized, and we're gonna do this one a little bit differently. We are at the PBA Lubbock Sports Open. It's the first event in the summer swing. Hopefully, this was the beginning on our way up, because it didn't go so well for me, but before I talk too much about it, and let's jump right into it and see how it went. Not good for me, but everybody else. Let's see how it went for everybody else. So something you should notice after that last shot is, I was playing pretty hard and straight in between second and third arrow, maybe a little closer to the third arrow there at the end. Something that you might notice is now that last shot was really deep, and it was with a reactive ball. My warrant's solid. And the reason for that is I talked to Chris Barnes in the back, and he helped me out a little bit, saying, maybe I should move way deeper into where there's more oil, because I went split with my purple hammer after moving deeper, and then deeper again. They both went through the face, and I just couldn't get my ball through it anymore. It was time to sell out. I'm gonna move way right with a reactive ball, see if I can get it through the fronts and see if it'll still make it back around the corner. And luckily the first shot did, so that was just my game plan for the rest of the tournament. Step in, hook it a little bit with a reactive ball, and just see if I can make a move.
Hey Packy, it's your friend Kevin here. I'm on your starting pair, and you destroyed this left lane, and I thought I had a ball reaction. But here I am, I'm gonna shoot 180 if I'm lucky, so I'm gonna get you back for that.
Here we are.
We're here.
About what, like 100 miles, 200 miles away from Lubbock? Yeah, the car ride started with me crying myself to sleep about this tournament.
And I just watched a bow burner. I'm gonna order my food now.
Yeah.
3 burger. The left was not walled.
Nah, the left was like, not that great. This was one of those tournaments, I felt like I was behind the move the whole time, but I had to be like dead on the move every frame or I wasn't gonna make the cut. After I split, I had to strike the next shot. I couldn't afford to go split, spare split. You know, where some tournaments, like, you can find a really good look. just wasn't one of those. This was one of those tournaments. Like
the part of the lane that we were supposed to play for this week, we never ever play. We were every time we were all striking, we were sliding at 38-40 at the gutter cap. We never ever get to do that and it be successful. So we all figured it out with 2 games left. You know what? On to the next. That's all we can do.
On to the next. We'll see you in Houston, and we'll hope it's better.
We'll eat more Whataburger there as well. So surely eventually we'll strike with
More Chick-fil-A, less Whataburger.
Yes.
Yeah, see, Brad bowled well, and he had 22 nuggets before his squad. So
22 of 24 grilled nuggets. So we messed up. I'm ordering 24 nuggets from them right now.
nothing less.
Nothing less. Nothing more. I'm getting a phone call.
All right.
Okay.
And we're out.